Hey everyone, Chris at Laminax, and today we're at our local fire department. They just purchased a new fire engine right behind me, and spent a significant amount of money on it. And the one thing about fire engines is that they are very expensive and they do take a lot of abuse. So they came up to our plant the other day and gave us the opportunity to look over the truck and see where we can find some areas to protect it from getting beat up and damaged over time and keep it looking new and protecting it. So we're excited to take part today. We're going to do installation on about mid-20s, 20-some areas on this fire engine. So we're just going to show you some of the paint protection film that we're going to put on here and where and why. So come along and let's show you some Laminax on the fire engine. And now, the local fire engine truck is protected with Laminax, which is one of the many ways the Laminax can be used for protecting wear and tear for any application that takes abuse and damage over time. We are blessed and honored for them to consider our products to allowing us to protect their fire engine truck for many years to come, utilizing the best paint protection film products on the market. Hope this helps show some of the things that Laminax can do on any application, whether it's a fire engine truck, vehicles, or even equipment. So thanks for coming along and allowing us to show what Laminax can do. If you have any problems or any questions regarding Laminax products, give us a call, hit us up on live chat, or email us at help@laminax.com. Thanks and have a great day. Take care.